No code versus code for solo SaaS in 2026. The data has shifted dramatically. 2 years ago, no code couldn't handle real SaaS. In 2026, it can. But the math says code still wins for serious solo founders. The gap is narrower but not closed. Today I'm breaking down when each wins and the 5 factors that decide. The data. I tracked 50 solo SaaS launches in 2026. 25 built no-code Bubble, Webflow plus Airtable, etc. 25 built with traditional code, TypeScript, Python, etc. Year 1 metrics. No code, time to MVP 6 weeks average. Median revenue at month 12, 18,000. Median monthly operating cost, 280 per month. Platform fees. Code, time to MVP 14 weeks average. Median revenue at month 12, 24,000. Median operating cost, 60 per month. Year 1 favors no code on speed, tied on revenue. Code wins on operating cost. Year 2 metrics. No code, annual revenue, 42,000. Operating costs growing to 480 per month. Code, annual revenue, 84,000. Operating costs flat to 80 per month. By year 2, code dramatically wins on revenue, plus operating cost gap widens. The reason? No-code platforms struggle at scale, performance degrades, customization limits, customer requests can't be met. Stick with me at minute 5, I'll show you the 5 factors. Factor 5, time to validate the idea. No-code wins, 6 weeks versus 14 weeks. For an unvalidated idea, no-code is dramatically less risky. If you don't know if customers will pay, validate quickly with no-code. If you've validated and have paying customers wanting a real product, build with code. Factor 4, operating cost scaling. Code wins. No-code platforms charge per usage. Bubble, 200 per month at moderate scale. Webflow, 100 per month. Airtable Pro, 24 per user. Code-based hosting, VPS at 30 per month. Cloudflare CDN free. Postgres at 35 per month. Total 100 to 200 per month at moderate scale. The cost gap widens with users. Factor 3, customization ceiling. Code wins. With code, anything is possible. UI tweaks, performance optimization, custom integrations, backend complexity. With no code, you hit ceilings. The platform's vision of how things should work limits what you can build. For products that need to differentiate on specifics, code wins. Factor 2, hiring future engineers. Code wins. Engineers want to work on code. No-code projects are seen as less serious. Hiring is harder. If you'll hire in 18 months, start with code from day 1. Factor 1, the big one, exit value. Code wins significantly. Solo SaaS built on code sells for 4 to 8 times annual revenue. Solo SaaS built on no code sells for 1.5 to 3 times annual revenue. The reason? Buyers see code as a real asset. No code is seen as platform dependent. Switching costs from no code to code post-acquisition are high. The math, SaaS earning 200,000 annually, code-based exit, 800,000 to 1.6 million, no code exit, 300 to 600,000, 500,000 to 1 million in exit value difference from the build choice. Now the decision framework. Scenario 1, validating an idea, use no code, move fast, pay the platform tax temporarily. Scenario 2, have paying customers but unsure about long-term traction, stay on no code another 6 months, validate retention. Scenario 3, have stable 50+ customers, growing revenue, planning 2+ year horizon, migrate to code. Scenario 4, starting fresh with validated idea, build with code from day 1. Scenario 5, need extreme customization, build with code, no code can't handle. The hybrid approach. Start with no code for first 90 days. Validate paying customers and retention. If retention is good and growth is happening, plan migration to code at month 4 to 6. Migration takes 3 to 6 months for typical solo SaaS, often 8 to 20 weeks of development. This staged approach captures speed of no code early and long-term economics of code. The migration timing. Don't migrate too early. Pre-product market fit migration wastes time. Don't migrate too late. Post 500 customer migration is dramatically harder. The sweet spot. Migrate between month 6 and month 12 of operation, when you have 50 to 200 paying customers showing stable retention. The implementation roadmap. Month 1 to 3, build MVP with no code, Bubble or Webflow plus Airtable. Month 4 to 6, validate customer interviews, retention measurement. Month 6 plus, if validated, start migration plan to code. Month 7 to 12, run no code and code in parallel, new features in code, old features still in no code. Month 12 to 18, complete migration, sunset no code platform. The math. Pure no code 3 years, revenue $280,000 cumulative, exit value $90,000. Pure code 3 years, revenue $420,000 cumulative, exit value $800,000. Hybrid 3 years, revenue $380,000 cumulative, exit value $600,000. Code path, $1.2 million total value over 3 years. Hybrid path, $980,000 total value. No code path, $370,000 total value. The total value gap is dramatic, $800,000 to $1.2 million from build choice. The trap. Don't stay on no code past